Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and this is an intraday video, of course, as looking at the 1-hour chart and the 15-minute chart to see what happened and what it might happen for Bitcoin. And of course, as expected today in the daily analysis, we were of course looking for lower prices in those two scenarios where we want to reach at least the 0.618 and 0.78, probably even at least the minimum requirement for 0.38, which it has been just hit right now, of course, and as a 1-2 probably moving toward the upside in a bullish scenario. In case that we are still in a bearish scenario, because as you can see, we did not hit the invalidation of this bearish scenario, which is coming with 1, 2, 3 and 4 and F5. Of course, we are looking still for a wave F5, of course, toward the downside, probably at 97,459. And this, of course, because of the A, B, and a C, of course, that we might have here as an expanding flat. And of course, after a huge impulse toward the upside, where we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, A, B, of course, your wave B is a triangle here, of course, finishing a wave E with a wave B, and then, of course, looking for this wave C toward the downside as an impulse. So basically, the impulse is playing right now. I would say if we go a little bit on the 15-minute chart, we can see, of course, that we have here a possible contracting diagonal. And possible, of course, here it looks already like corrective, like 3 waves toward the downside, and of course a zigzag for a wave B, and probably 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. And then of course we're looking a little bit for lower around the 100k probably, or even the 99k 800. So I would say, of course, that would be a nice target to finish, of course, this A, B, and a C towards the downside. Now, if you take a look a little bit on KGT, of course, the 5-minute chart, as you can see, we have the CVD line moving toward the downside while the price is still higher, of course, with a buy signal here on the 5-minute, or not yet, of course, until we take it here. I think we need to calculate more. Here we go. And I think that the bullish signal might come soon or later. I mean, it is there on the 280 as a strength, but preferably, of course, to get it in a stronger signal, which is a 500, to see a stronger divergence, of course. I mean, this is already strong enough, I would say, but I think a little bit lower can be very, very possible. I mean, because as you can see, you have a bearish signal still starting from your wave 1 here, conversions as well. So it's still playing until, of course, we get this bullish signal in a stronger place. Yeah, I mean, we need to see this, but in a stronger place, I would say, to be stronger than 300. In case that happen, of course, I would suggest, of course, some bullish scenarios might unfold. And I mean, the 0.38, it definitely has to retrace anyway, yeah. So these are the scenarios right now. I think we still have like double waves toward the downside, 4-5, 4-5. Probably this will bring us, of course, with the biggest divergence and with a bullish signal, of course, here. So we're gonna watch and see what's gonna happen in case we are bearish, guys. Therefore, of course, it's hard to say until the 98,400. This is, of course, where we cannot consider a 1-2 anymore. However, look at the space between the bullish and the invalidation of this scenario, meaning if we dive deeper, a little bit more deeper by taking the low, it might, of course, trigger another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 again. So this is the idea, because of course you will finish a 1, 2 over there, yeah, and then moving toward the upside. So we're gonna see which one are we gonna move from here in 1, 2, or it's gonna unfold a new fresh 1, 2, and then moving toward the upside. Let's watch and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.